Today's topic is treatment. आज का विषय है ट्रीटमेंट यानी उपचार. Ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle for transportation of sick or injured people to, from, or between places of treatment for an illness or injury, and in some instances will also provide out-of-hospital medical care to the patient. Ambulance एक प्रकार का वाहन जो रोगियों को एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तक लाने ले जाने के लिए काम में लाया जाता है. इस वाहन में चिकित्सा के सारे सामान मौजूद रहते हैं. Anesthetic. A general anesthetic is a drug that brings about a reversible loss of consciousness. These drugs are generally administered by an anesthesia provider to induce or maintain general anesthesia to facilitate surgery. Anesthetic एक ऐसी प्रकार की दवाई जिससे मनुष्य अचेतन अवस्था में चला जाता है. या तो वो बेहोश हो जाता है या फिर कुछ समय के लिए उसकी एहसास करने की क्षमता खत्म हो जाती है. यह दवाई ज्यादातर ऑपरेशन करने के समय में इस्तेमाल में लाई जाती है. Anodyne. In medicine before the 20th century, an anodyne was a medicine that was believed to relieve or soothe pain by lessening the sensitivity of the brain or nervous system. It is a kind of analgesic. Anodyne एक ऐसी दवाई जो दर्द के महसूस को कम या खत्म कर देती है. ये एक प्रकार का पेन किलर होता है. Appetizer. A food or drink served usually before a meal to stimulate the appetite. A small portion of a tasty food or a drink to stimulate the appetite at the beginning of a meal. A bit of something that excites a desire for more. Appetizer. खाने या पीने की कोई भी ऐसी चीज जिसे खाकर या पीकर भूख खुलकर लगती है. इस चीज को आमतौर पर दिन के मुख्य भोजन को खाने से पहले लिया जाता है. Balm. Tiger balm, the world's leading analgesic remedy that works where it hurts. A name that has been trusted by generations to provide care, healing, and comfort for over 100 years. With its unique formulation specially made with herbal ingredients which are proven safe and effective. Balm एक ऐसा लेप या क्रीम जिसे लगाने पर दर्द कम हो जाता है. Bandage. A bandage is a piece of material used either to support a medical device such as a dressing or splint, or on its own to provide support to the body. Bandages are available in a wide range of types, from generic cloth strips to specialized shaped bandages designed for a specific limb or part of the body. Bandage यानी पट्टी, कपड़ा या महीन धागों की मदद से बनाई गई कपड़े की एक पट्टी जो कि घाव को ढकने के काम में लाई जाती है ताकि उसे धूल और मिट्टी से बचाया जा सके. बैंडेज कई बार किसी चीज को सहारा देने के लिए भी बांधी जाती है. जैसे अगर पांव टूट जाए तो उसे पट्टी की मदद से सहारा दिया जा सकता है. Capsule. In the manufacture of pharmaceuticals, encapsulation refers to a range of techniques used to enclose medicines in a relatively stable shell, known as a capsule, allowing them to, for example, be taken orally or be used as suppositories. The two main types of capsules are hard-shelled capsules and soft-shelled capsules. कैप्सूल, दवाई के पाउडर को जब हम एक प्लास्टिक के कवच में भर देते हैं, उस कवच को हम कैप्सूल कहते हैं। ये कवच शरीर के लिए हानिकारक नहीं होता। Chloral. It is a colorless oily liquid that is soluble in a wide range of solvents. It reacts with water to form chloral hydrate, a once widely used sedative and hypnotic substance. Chloral, नींद या बेहोशी लाने की दवाई। ये पानी तथा अन्य पदार्थों में घुल जाती है। Crutch. Crutches are mobility aids used to counter a mobility impairment or an injury that limits walking ability. Forearm crutches are crutches with a cuff at the top to go around the forearm and are also known as the Lofstrand clutch. Underarm crutches are used most often by people with temporary disability or injury. Crutch यानी बैसाखी, चल पाने में असमर्थ लोगों के लिए जो पैरों का काम करने वाला साधन है, उसे क्रच कहा जाता है। इसे आमतौर पर कंधों से सहारा देकर और जमीन पर टिका टिका कर चला जाता है। इसकी वजह से पैरों पर वजन नहीं पड़ता। Delivery. The process of giving birth to a baby is called delivery. Children that are born between the 36th and the 39th week are considered as being normal deliveries. Delivery. शिशु को जन्म देने की प्रक्रिया को अंग्रेजी में डिलीवरी कहा जाता है। Diagnosis. The act or process of identifying or determining the nature and cause of a disease or injury through evaluation of patient history, examination and review of laboratory data. Diagnosis. किसी भी रोग या रोग के लक्षण या रोग के कारण का पता लगाना डायग्नोसिस कहलाता है। Dispensary. A dispensary is an office in a school, hospital or other organization that dispenses medications and medical supplies. A dispensary is a small outpatient health facility, usually managed by a registered nurse. It provides the most basic primary health care services to rural communities. Dispensary. हॉस्पिटल का छोटा रूप। यहां पर प्राथमिक चिकित्सा का सारा इंतजाम रहता है। Doctor. Doctor may refer to health care. There are so many types of doctors. Physician, a medical doctor, pharmacist, a pharmacy doctor, dentist, a dental doctor, optometrist, an optometric doctor, physical therapist, a physical therapy doctor, pediatrist, a pediatric doctor. Doctor, ऐसा मनुष्य जिसका काम लोगों के स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखना होता है. Enema. Enemas can be carried out as treatment for medical conditions such as constipation and encopresis, and as part of some alternative health therapies. Enema एक ऐसी दवाई जिसे शरीर में डालने से शरीर का सारा मल बाहर आ जाता है. Hammock. The hammock is a sling made of fabric, rope, or netting, suspended between 2 points, used for swinging, sleeping, or resting. It normally consists of one or more cloth panels, or a woven network of twine or thin rope, stretched with ropes between two firm anchor points, such as trees or posts. Hammocks were developed by native inhabitants of tropical regions for sleeping. Hammock. पतले नायलॉन या पतली रस्सियों का एक दूसरे के साथ बांधकर बनाया गया एक झूला, जो आमतौर पर आराम करने के काम में आता है. इस झूले को 2 पॉइंट्स से बांधा जाता है. Fermentation. A quaint old term for the application of hot packs or the substance so applied. From the Latin fovimentum, which meant no surprise, to a warm application. To ferment means literally to warm or heat up. Fermentation. गर्म पानी की पट्टी या ठंडे पानी की पट्टी माथे पर रखने की प्रक्रिया. Hospital. A hospital in the modern sense is an institution for health care providing patient treatment by specialized staff and equipment, and often, but not always, providing for longer-term patient stays. Today, hospitals are usually funded by the public sector, by health organizations. Hospital एक ऐसा स्थान जहां पर बहुत सारे डॉक्टर एक साथ एक जगह उपलब्ध रहते हैं. यहां पर बड़ी से बड़ी और छोटी से छोटी बीमारी का इलाज संभव होता है. इस स्थान पर लोगों के रहने का भी प्रबंध होता है. इंजेक्शन. Injection may refer to injection medicine. It is a method of putting liquid into the body with a syringe and a hollow needle that punctures the skin. Injection. एक बारीक सुई के माध्यम से शरीर के अंदर दवाई डालने वाली सुई या दवाई इंजेक्शन कहलाती है. Maternity. Maternity or motherhood is the social and legal acknowledgement of the parental relationship between a mother and her child. It is specially related with the protection of the baby and the mother within and after the childbirth. Maternity. माँ और बच्चों के बीच का संबंध. जन्म के पूर्व से लेकर बच्चे के लालन पालन की संपूर्ण प्रक्रिया. Nurse. A nurse is a healthcare professional who, in collaboration with other members of a healthcare team, is responsible for treatment, safety, and recovery of acutely or chronically ill individuals, health promotion. Nurse, बीमारी या तकलीफ में सेवा करने वाला व्यक्ति या औरत नर्स कहलाती है. स्त्री और पुरुष दोनों में से कोई भी नर्स हो सकते हैं. Ointment, a medication preparation that is applied topically onto the skin. An ointment has an oil base, whereas a cream is water soluble. It is a fatty or oily medicated formulation applied to the skin to heal or protect. A similar substance used as a cosmetic. Ointment, दवाई को क्रीम के रूप में जब हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उसे ऑइंटमेंट कहते हैं. ऑपरेशन और सर्जरी. Surgery is an accident medical specialty that uses operative manual and instrumental techniques on a patient to investigate and or treat a pathological condition such as disease or injury to help improve bodily function or appearance. An act of performing surgery may be called a surgical procedure, operation or simply surgery. Operation या सर्जरी शरीर को चीर फाड़ कर उसके भीतर की बीमारी का इलाज करने की प्रक्रिया को कहते हैं. Patient, a patient is any recipient of medical attention, care or treatment. A patient is most often ill or injured and in need of treatment by a physician, veterinarian or other healthcare professional. Although one who is visiting a physician for a routine checkup may also be viewed as a patient. The word patient originally meant one who suffers. Patient, ऐसा व्यक्ति जो किसी तकलीफ से पीड़ित हो. Perambulator, baby transport, consists of devices for transporting and carrying infants. A child carrier or baby carrier is a device used to carry an infant or small child on the body of an adult. Perambulator, बहुत छोटे बच्चों को घुमाने फिराने की गाड़ी. रोजमर्रा की भाषा में इसे प्रैम कहा जाता है. Prescription, a prescription is a healthcare program implemented by a physician or other medical practitioner in the form of instructions that govern the plan of care for an individual patient. Prescriptions may include orders to be performed by a patient, caretaker, nurse, pharmacist or other therapist. Prescription, वो पर्चा जिसके ऊपर डॉक्टर मरीज की बीमारी से रिलेटेड दवाइयों के नाम और उनको खाने के तरीके लिख कर देता है. Cradle, a small low bed for an infant. The earliest period of life, a place of origin, a birthplace. It is made up of a framework of wood or metal used to support. Cradle, बच्चों या नवजात शिशु को सुलाने का एक बिछौना. ये लकड़ी, प्लास्टिक या मेटल किसी भी चीज का बना हुआ हो सकता है. Purgative, tending to cleanse or purge, specially causing evacuation of the bowels. A purgative agent or medicine, a cathartic that purges, purging causing bowel movement. A substance that purges, specific, a cathartic. Purgative, पेट साफ करने की दवा, जिसे पीने से बड़े आंतड़े जल्दी काम करते हैं और शौच के रूप में पेट साफ होता है. Saline. In medicine, saline is a general term referring to a sterile solution of sodium chloride in water, but is only sterile when it is to be placed intravenously. Otherwise, a saline solution is a saltwater solution. The sterile solution is typically used for intravenous infusion, rinsing contact lenses, nasal irrigation, and often used to clean a new piercing. Saline. शरीर से पानी का नुकसान हो जाने पर दिया जाने वाला पानी जो इंजेक्शन द्वारा शरीर में डाला जाता है. इस पानी में शरीर के लिए जरूरी सभी मिनरल्स मौजूद होते हैं. Squirt. Squirt or squirting is a form of action to force a liquid to flow out through a narrow opening. Squirt एक ऐसी प्रक्रिया है जिससे पानी या किसी भी तरल पदार्थ को एक संकरे रास्ते के जरिए जबरदस्ती गुजारा जाता है. Stitches. Stitches are sutures given to the part to which surgery is subjected to. Surgical suture is a medical device used to hold body tissues together after an injury or surgery. It generally consists of a needle with an attached length of thread. Stitches. शरीर की चीर फाड़ के बाद दो अलग अलग हिस्सों को जोड़ने के लिए लगाया जाने वाला टांका. Stretcher. A litter, usually of canvas, stretched over a frame, used to transport the sick, wounded, or dead. A litter for transporting people who are ill or wounded or dead. Usually consists of a sheet of canvas stretched between two poles. Gurney. A metal stretcher with wheels. Stretcher. दो व्यक्तियों के द्वारा उठाया जाने वाला एक पतला सा बिस्तर जो आमतौर पर मरीज या घायलों को उठाने के लिए काम में लाया जाता है. Tablet. A tablet is a pharmaceutical dosage form. It comprises a mixture of active substances and excipients, usually in powder form, pressed or compacted from a powder into a solid dose. The compressed tablet is the most popular dosage form in use today. Tablet. दवाई के पाउडर को जब हम एक लंबी गोली का आकार देते हैं तो वो टैबलेट कहलाती है. Tonic. A medicine that invigorates or strengthens. Anything invigorating physically, mentally, or morally. An agent such as a medication that restores or increases body tone. A drink traditionally containing quinine. A herbal medicine with tonic effects. Tonic. एक पानी वाली दवाई जिसे पिया जा सके। Vial. A vial is a relatively small glass vessel or bottle, specially used to store medication as liquids, powders, or in other forms like capsules. The glass can be colorless or colored, clear or amber. Vial. कांच की एक छोटी सी बोतल जिसमें ज्यादातर दवाइयों का पाउडर, टैबलेट या कैप्सूल रखा जाता है। X-ray. X-radiation, composed of X-rays, in a form of electromagnetic radiation. They are shorter in wavelength than ultraviolet rays and longer than gamma rays. In many languages, X-radiation is called Rontgen radiation. Hard X-rays can penetrate solid objects. X-ray. ऐसी किरणें जो शरीर के आर पार होकर शरीर के अंदर का हाल बताती हैं। Thank you very much. Enjoy your learning experience with Speakwell. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।